Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my very own flaxseed gel. Lately I've been making my own products and I find that the flaxseed gel that I make is super hydrating. It is cost effective. You really don't need much to make this, and a little bit goes a long way. You will have this for many weeks in the fridge if you preserve it in the right way. It's gentle and non-irritating. It's of course sulfate and paraben free, which I am a huge proponent of. It helps to enhance your hair health overall, and it's environmentally friendly. So what is not to love about it? With all that being said, let's get down to business. What you will need for this DIY flaxseed gel is some flax seeds, distilled water, or you can make your own lavender infused water. If you want to see how I create that, just let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. You will also need a saucepan, a strainer, or a cheesecloth. I don't have cheesecloth. You can also use pantyhose. I think I have pantyhose, and a spatula to help scoop up your things. You'll also need a jar to put your flaxseed in, either a jar or one of those bottles with a nozzle. For the full recipe and list of ingredients, be sure to check out my blog. It's jasminerose.com. Thank you, and you're welcome. In a medium-sized saucepan, combine the flax seeds and water. Next, you're gonna bring the water to a boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to stir to prevent sticking. A lot of the times it likes to stick to the side of the pot, so just be mindful of that. When the mixture simmers, it will start to thicken and develop a gel-like consistency. Keep an eye on it to prevent it from getting too thick. Although, if you want it even thicker, be my guest. After simmering, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Place the strainer or the cheesecloth or the pantyhose over the clean container or jar. Using the spatula, press down on the gel in the strainer to try to get as much of the gel out as possible. If you don't have lavender infused water, that's cool. You can add lavender essential oil or whatever essential oil you feel like adding to your gel. The possibilities are endless. Let the gel cool completely before storing it in a sealed container in the fridge, and it will also thicken as it begins to cool. So now what you have is the perfect DIY flaxseed gel with lavender infused water, and it's ready to use. Something I suggest with the flaxseed gel is to use it sparingly. You really don't need too much. A little really does go a long way, and I love using the flaxseed gel when I curl my locks. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll be sure to link it up top and in the description box down below. I love putting this on baby girl's hair to get her curls to pop. Let me know if you give this recipe a try. Let me know what you have done differently. Let me know what other sorts of videos you would like to see from me in the comment section down below, and that is pretty much it. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.